It seems like every week around here is construction week at Target Roofing and Sheet Metal's new headquarters. But when Lee BIA Builders Care asked us to help out for National Construction Appreciation Week by building David a new ramp, we were happy to spare some staff.
Today we have Target Roofing who has came out and helped us with our ramp. They have been a great supporter to Builders Care. They did a roof for us a few months back, and they are always here for Builders Care and the community whenever we need them. Just having people out here makes a big difference. Shannon has been a huge supporter of Builders Care. She's been great to work with. She comes out, she volunteers, not just at projects, but at other events as well.
I'm just so grateful. I'm at a loss of words. I'm so grateful. I don't even know what to say to show my appreciation. Thank you. Thanks everybody for doing this. It's fantastic.